The psychology behind parents' glory. Now, we have seen numerous parents bringing in their children's accomplishment, either academics or co-curricular, onto social media through the various social media channels, through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Facebook. But have you ever thought, is it really for a child, or is it to bring in parents' glory? Now, this has a huge psychology behind it, and there are various segments which have been introduced under it. One is the concept of social comparison. Now, there is a basic idea that parents feel, which is that if a child achieves good, that means that thing can open their avenues to get and sit with people who are high profile or have better social networking, and this would bring in or increase their social standing. They also feel more competitive, because this is a kind of way through which they elevate their own perceived status. The next major reason is a narcissism personality, where the success of the child is viewed as the success of the parent, and it helps the parent in boosting their self-esteem. Also, it is a proxy achievement. That means if a parent could not do it at their age group, they want or they desire their unfulfilled ambitions to be fulfilled by their children. There was another theory behind it which talks about a second chance, where there is a kind of circle where this process goes on and on, where they continuously want their child to perform well, and once they perform well, they feel that they have achieved something which they were not able to achieve when they were young. So there can be an unprojected dream. Also, there are external validations where people praise, and that brings in a feel-good factor. There could be a fear of judgment, because if you don't boost about your child, it could create a negative impression that your child is not good. Another important aspect why parents do this is because of social expectation or a cultural norm that has been established in the society. But this high result can elevate the anxiety about the future of the child, and also their academic performance would bring in a controllable result for the parent. So both of these things become detrimental for the entire family. Now, these are the reasons why people do it, but this come along with a bundle of negative consequences for child, in the form of higher stress, higher anxiety levels. There is a constant fear that if I fail, what next? The motivation gets down, and the self-worth of an individual gets reduced. So what is a good approach to tackle this? So under psychology, we talk about various motivational theories, and focusing on intrinsic motivation is one of the major aspects to handle this, where the child should be driven by their own personal interest and not by the social or the external motivation that they get. So a genuine interest in a subject or a field that they are trying to pursue would be more beneficial rather than any external rewards. This would help in mental and emotional well-being of the child, and together as a family you can actually enjoy that and celebrate it, rather than just for the basis of the final results that come. So the process itself is interesting and it should be taken as that. So that was behind the psychology. Very important for your answer writing for mains. We will be discussing more important topics in psychology answer writing. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.